this. It strengthens your breathing muscles. I'm an athlete and I'm always looking for ways to push my performance to the next level, right? And I used to focus a lot on supplements, but recently I discovered something that has really just shown incredible results. I work out every single day, whether it is going on a run or going to yoga or just going to the gym. But lately I've been noticing myself just kind of slowing down a little bit. My lungs just don't seem to carry as much air as they did before. And I'd get tired after even super simple exercises, which sucks, right? So I started looking for ways to increase my lung capacity since that seemed to be the problem. And I actually found a device that strengthens your breathing muscles, which I didn't even know was a thing. And it has totally changed my experience exercising. The device is called Better Breathing Sport and it can help increase your lung capacity. So my doctor recommended it and I actually called her to thank her a month later, which is a first for me. To use it, all you have to do is blow into it. It builds positive pressure in your lungs, which helps strengthen your breathing muscles. It was an incredible feeling. I don't think I've had a more productive cough in my entire life. The best part is how good I feel now when I'm running. It made a noticeable difference the first time I've used it, and it's only gotten better the longer I have been using it. I mean, it's become an essential part of my routine. I use it before and after exercising now, and I just breathe more deeply and comfortably, just better. Fun fact, it also helps you cough up stubborn mucus. So it's really awesome to have if you have a cold or some kind of sickness where there's something in there you just kind of can't get out. If you want to improve your athletic performance or you just want to breathe better, and who doesn't want to breathe better, I highly recommend trying Better Breathing Sport. Ever since using it, I just breathe better. I have more energy in the morning. I have more energy after workouts. It's everything. Even if you're not a regular athlete, there are just so many benefits to Better Breathing Sport and no risks, so try it.